In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a sports poster in Canva. We're going to go step by step, from a blank idea to a finished, dynamic, professional sports poster. This will work for any sport and any team, and you can follow along using the free version of Canva. First, open Canva and either log in or create a free account. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type poster. You'll see preset poster sizes like A4 or standard poster. Click on poster so we have the right dimensions to start. Now you have two options. You can start with a ready-made template or a completely blank canvas. If you want to move faster and have a base layout, look through the sports-related templates by typing sports poster or the specific sport in the template search. Find something close to your style and click it. If you prefer full control, click Create a blank poster to start from scratch. Either way is fine because we'll be customizing everything. Next, let's bring in your player photos. On the left side, click on Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your player images from your computer. Once they upload, drag a photo onto the canvas. To make it blend smoothly into your design, we'll remove the background. With the image selected, go to Edit Photo at the top. Look for the Background Remover tool. Click it and wait a moment while Canva removes the background. If you need to clean up the edges, use the Erase and Restore brushes that appear. This makes your player really pop without any distracting background. From here, you can resize and position the player. Click and drag the corners to scale up so the player becomes the main focus. Place them slightly off-center for a more dynamic design, maybe leaning into the direction they're moving in the photo. If you're using more than one player, repeat the upload and background removal process, then arrange them so they overlap a little for depth. Now let's layer in your team colors and graphics. Go to the Elements tab on the left. Search for shapes like rectangles, gradients, or abstract graphics. Drag a large rectangle to cover the background, then click on the color tile at the top and change it to your primary team color. Add another shape, maybe a diagonal block or gradient overlay, and change that to your secondary team color. Position these so they sit behind your player images. Use the Position button at the top and send the shapes to back or backward until the layers look right. This builds a strong, bold team identity right away. Next, it's time for bold sports fonts. Click on Text on the left, then add a heading. Type in the main title like the team name, tournament name, or key phrase. With the text selected, go up to the font dropdown and choose a strong, athletic-style font like Anton or League Gothic. These fonts are tall, bold, and perfect for sports posters. Increase the font size so your title is big and clearly visible. Center it or align it with your main subject. To make the text stand out even more, we'll add effects. With the text still selected, click Effects at the top. Here you can choose shadows, outlines, or glows. For a classic sports look, choose an outline or hollow style, then adjust the thickness and color to match your team colors, or pick shadow and adjust the offset and blur for a strong separation from the background. This gives the text a dynamic, professional finish. Now let's incorporate some relevant sports elements. Go back to Elements and search for items like football, basketball, soccer ball, stadium, crowd, or lights. Drag in a ball graphic, stadium background, or light flares that match your sport. Reduce the transparency of some of these by selecting them, clicking the transparency icon at the top and lowering it slightly. This helps them blend into the background without distracting from the player. Arrange these elements around your main subject to add energy and context to the design. From here, we'll use tools like Image Blender or Magic Eraser to get seamless integration. Select a photo or graphic and go to Edit Photo. Look for tools like Image Blender to mix a player image with a background texture or light effect. Adjust the blend mode and intensity until it looks natural and cohesive. If you see any unwanted parts of an image, use Magic Eraser under the same menu to brush over and remove them. This is great for cleaning up edges or removing small details that clash with the layout. Finally, add your event details so the poster is actually usable. Click Text, then add smaller subheadings and body text. Include the event name, date, time, location, and any extra information like ticket details or website. Use a simpler, clean font for these details so they're easy to read. Make sure there's a clear hierarchy. The main title is the largest, then maybe the matchup or event name, then the date and location. Align these details in one area, usually toward the bottom or one side of the poster, so everything looks organized and intentional. Once you like how everything looks, zoom out to see the full poster and check balance, spacing, and readability. If it looks good, click Share in the top right, then Download, choose PNG or PDF and save it. That's how to design a dynamic, professional sports poster in Canva. From template or blank canvas to final event-ready design.